more fun, more exciting, more awesome, and definitely more kilig. Oh, let's welcome the country's new Gen Love team, Donnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariano. Woo! Round of applause, guys.
Hi! People of the world, hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for joining us on today's live stream. Hello po.
Hi. Hello.
Nice to meet you po.
Hello po. Same generation naman tayo for today. Okay. Yung X-Metro.style shoot in Korea, and sobrang lakas mo ka K-drama. I mean, kinikilig every single one of us. You know, could you tell us a little bit more about, I mean, since nandito na naman kayo, di ba? Let us know, you know, how that shoot went. What was it like shooting in Korea? And how was it feeling like, you know, you worked #Team Galaxy?
You know, I actually posted this on Instagram. Like, sinabi ko doon, living the K-drama life.
I know!
Yeah, and to be honest, ngayon na ako nakaikot talaga ng Korea ng ganon. And I'm so happy to be with the Samsung team. And of course, the Metro team. Sobrang natuwa. I was able to go to different iconic places na ang tagal ko nang gustong puntahan. And you know, of course, with my best friend right here, I was able to take a lot of photos talaga.
Yes, I'm sure there's so many photos that you took and you didn't even post or hindi nyo alam kung anong gagawin, diba?
It's nice that we got to, like you said, experience Batanes. Apart from like all the places we've been to, this is like something I didn't expect to be that nice. It's so beautiful. Batanes is literally, I said a line in the series, paraiso sa dulo ng Pilipinas. Paraiso kasi yung parang pag pumunta ka doon, wala kang naisipin kundi ang ganda ng Pilipinas.
So nice.
It's really in the end. Because you really see like all the islands, you see the beaches, super fine sand, and it looks like those made up stuff in your dreams that you just hopefully one day can relax with that. More than like hundreds of K-dramas, sinunod na, diba? Sabi, parang hundreds.
I think that's the Hanggang part. Yeah, it was like...
Kasi natulog pa tayo, diba?
Hanggang saan. Pero it was so nice talaga. It was so nice to go around, diba?
At kumain ng local talaga. Siyempre yung subject nila doon, parang...
Ibang klase.
Maalis ka ng restaurant, wala na talaga yung laman na pwedeng... Wala na talaga pwedeng pumasok pa.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show the camera answers. They said Switzerland!
Pili ko na ko rin ng mga nanonood. Sana.
What did the answer? Guys, comment niyo po. Ayan. Comment sila. Singapore!
Singapore.
Hindi align.
Uy, sali din kayo eh. Susulat din kayo.
Okay. Grabe.
Comment niyo guys, what did you guess? Okay? And kapag Switzerland ang sagot niyo, ano ba yan?
Maglalakad lang po kayo ng ganito.
Okay. Ito the rectangle, guys.
Tapos pwede kong gumanyan.
Alright.
Okay,
actually, we use this. I don't know, saan ulit yun? We used this when we were crossing yung man-made river. Ay, man-made river. Yung dinig na lang. What do you call that again? Ikaw na magsabi naman ko. Ano yung tawag? Cheonggyecheon. We used it.
Cheonggyecheon.
Yeah, I took photos there. I haven't posted it, but I'll post it.
Gokchungma. Sachinesa.
Wow.
Okay, game. So, I'm gonna go to single take right now. Okay. So, ready? Think of your poses. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I'm sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Is this how you guys play Jenga?
That's how...
Awesome!
Guys.
Siguro akala nila hindi ko pipiliin eh. Kaya mga awesome yung mga nandyan sa baba.
Okay, bad.
Okay, game. Next. Let's see.
Nakapanik naman ito.
Hirap na ako, dalawa ka, no?
Paano pa na? Ba't ang quiet nyo? Nag-pressure ako!
Hindi ko mamala yung Jenga.
Ay! Nakapressure ako na! Ay! Iiyak ako. Wow. Thank you for that wonderful question. And then, to Belle, well, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing what you love. Yeah, and I'm proud of you. That's it.
Oh, that's beautiful. We'll play that recording also 5 years from now.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
Dito rin sa building na to.
Dito.
Dito na so.
Babalik tayo dito 5 years later. Tapos mag-jenga ulit tayo.
The wrong way.
Stop the limo, ganun.
But slowly, magpapan ka sa akin. To reveal na ako yung driver.
Okay.
Game.
From one scene. Ready. Action.
Where are we? You're going the wrong way. Stop the limo. Hey!
Say bingo.
Bingo?
Sorry. Hindi ka pwede kasi kay Steve.
Five times kay Nico. Hindi mo 5 times sabihin, pero gusto mo 5 times sabihin. Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Mahirap siya pagkakisa. 4.
5.
Go!
Guys, get your Galaxy A55 5G and get freebies. Yes! Ayun na ako. And also guys, really get it. Para ma-record if you guys find yourself playing Jenga with your friends, gamitin nyo yun to record awesome moments like this.
Yeah.
The one we created.
Dual recording.
Yes. Nahilo ko doon, ha? Kala ko 5 is nothing, pero di pa.
It's hard.
So of course, yeah, to everyone watching, please watch out for our Samsung X Metro shoot, our cover that's coming out in 2 weeks.
Yes, guys, and we also shot a vlog in Korea, so panoorin nyo yan. It's coming out this May 30th.
Thank you guys so much for the support. We love you.
Kilig! Are you guys kilig? Because I'm super kilig. Thank you, Don Bell.